Good day, everyone.
My name is Chris Julian B. Balibog.
And my name is Lazaro Renzarimi. And today we will show you how to make an organic fermented plant juice, aka FPJ.
But hold on, before we proceed on the video, what is fermented plant juice or how is it made? Well, let me explain. Fermented plant juice is a natural farming input that is used to treat soils and seeds and nourishing plants. It is made by extracting juice from plants and fermenting it with brown sugar or molasses in order to create an organic fertilizer. It boosts germination, provides nutrients, and introduces microorganisms.
In this video, we will only use disposable mask and disposable gloves.
In order to make a fermented plant juice, the materials that we are going to use is 1 kilo of kangkong, 1 liter of molasses, in a container. Step 1. Cut the kangkong into small pieces. Cutting the kangkong increases the surface area by cutting the kangkong, which exposes more surface area, allowing beneficial microorganisms to access the plant's internal nutrients more easily. Step number 2. Rinse the kangkong. We need to rinse the kangkong because it helps to wash away harmful microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, or mold that could disrupt or spoil the fermentation process. Step 3. Add the kangkong and molasses. Meanwhile, molasses provides the carbon source, while kangkong provides nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. Combining them ensures a balanced fermentation process. Step 4. Clean the sides of the container. Cleaning ensures that these contaminants don't interfere with the fermentation. Step number 5. Cover the container. Covering the container protects the mixture from dust, insects, and unwanted microorganisms. Hi guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.